Hello students, our next topic is construction of DFA or FA for finite languages. So just before construction of FA for finite language, let me take some few points. The first one you understand, DFA is a complete system, right? Yes or no? DFA is a complete system. DFA is a complete system which responds, complete system nothing but which responds for for each and each and every each and every input string, each and every input string. Next point, in DFA, please do understand, in DFA we need to we need to we need to define the transition. We need to define the transition for each and every input symbol, input symbol input symbol at each state, at each state. So please do understand, it is a necessary point. We need to transition for each and every input symbol at each and every state, then only it will respond for all the strings. Means the response in terms of it could be accept or reject possible. Next point, DFA is defined for universal language. Write down, DFA is defined for universal language sigma star. Sigma star is a universal language that we know, and it may accept sigma star, it may accept sigma star or no string from sigma star, no string from sigma star, or all subset of sigma star. So these are the possibilities are there. I'm repeating this third point. DFA is defined for universal language, correct? Sigma star, and it may accept sigma star completely, or it won't accept any string. That is nothing but, you understand, the final state of a DFA, if it is not reachable to initial state, definitely that won't accept any string. That means it is accepting only empty string, or sometimes subset of universal language can be accepted. So these are the points going to be happen. Let us start constructing the FA for the language. Let me take a language. So first language I will take L equal to, so I will take L equal to A, just simple A, and over, so I will take sigma, alphabet I will take A only, alphabet of single A, language A only. So it must accept only A. So when I take alphabet sigma as A, what could be the sigma star? All of you can think. Sigma star could be, sigma star, again I am repeating, it is containing all length, 0 length, 1 length, 2 length, n length will be there, right? 0 length nothing but epsilon, single A, 2A, 3A's, like this, n number of A's will be there. This is sigma star over the alphabet A. Here alphabet I have taken only, that is the reason sigma star is containing like this. The alphabets are more, so we will get more strings here, correct? Out of this many string I have to construct the FA for only one string should accept. So I can say L is proper subset of sigma star or not here. So I will construct Q naught. I'll start with the initial state, and when A comes, so that has to move to next state, and I should make Q1 as a final state, because that only A should accept. If 2A's comes, that must be reject. Q2 I will take. So for A means AA, 2A should reject. After 2A, after 1A, 2A or 3A or 4A, any number of A's comes, that must be reject. So you understand, this is a rejecting state, you can say. Suppose W equal to A if a given, that will accept. W equal to A given, that is rejected. W equal to 3S given, that is rejected. So this only universal language containing, correct or not? Yes or no? So now only valid, like for A only it will accept, for remaining thing it will reject. but it will respond. System will respond for each and every input string. Correct or not? That is what DFA you can understand. So now this is the number of states required to construct the given language. L equal to A. So I will take second one. All of you note down this. Note down. So I will take second one. So second one I will take second one. L equal to construct the FA for language. L equal to epsilon comma A and alphabet sigma equal to A. So here also sigma star. What is sigma star will get? Same all previous epsilon, single A, 2 A's, 3 A's, like n number of A's will be there. Why? Because alphabet I have taken single. Now I have to construct the FA for this. Epsilon should accept, correct or not? How epsilon is going to be accepted? As I told you very clearly, in order to accept the epsilon, initial state must be final state. Yes or no? Initial state must be final state. So they should accept the epsilon. Then if single A comes, I have to send to second state, like that is Q1, so that must accept. I'll make a Q1 also final state. If second A comes, that must be rejected. If third A comes and fourth A comes, must be rejected. This Q2 is a rejecting state or unreachable state, you can say. We will call unreachable state, also called dead state. Dead state nothing but once you reach to this state you cannot come back. Are you getting? You cannot come back. Unreachable or dead state we can say. So note on this. So it is accepting epsilon and 1A. You can give W equal to, if you give 3A's. So 3A's will be there in a sigma star, but 3A's will not accept. After 1A it is going to second, third it repeat at Q2 state only. The string is going to be rejected. So in DFA there are two possibilities. One is acceptance, rejectance. So rejection also response. It is response for that input that you would understand. So let me take a third example here. So language L. So you have to construct language L equal to AB you construct. So over this sigma alphabet A comma B. See, two symbols I have taken here. So when I take two symbols, my universal language becomes epsilon single A, single B, or AB or BA, AA, BB, like 0 length, 1 length, 2 length, 3 length, like n number of length will come. Correct or not? But it should accept only AB only. Correct or not? AB only. So I will start Q0 is initial state, and when AB string, first symbol is A, Q0 on A, Q1, and second symbol is B, Q1 on B, Q2. I should make Q2 as a final state. So because AB should accept, correct or not? And see, AB should accept, BA should reject. It should accept, this should reject. BB comes reject. BABB comes reject. So except AB, all the string from the sigma star should be reject. And also understand as a DFA definition, each and every state, at each and every state you must give a exactly one transition for all the symbols. How many symbols are there in this alphabet? Two symbols are there, A and B. For A and B, you must give a transition at each and every state. One time only. See, Q0, at Q0 we have a transition for A, but B no. Q1 we have a transition for B, but A we don't have. Q2 we don't have any transition for A comma B. So now I will make Q0 on B some transition, like I'll make Q3. Means Q3 must be rejecting. Why? Because if any string start with B, that must be reject only. See, our language containing only AB. If BA comes or BB comes, that must reject it. Suppose if 2A, AAB comes, also should reject. After AB, if A comma B comes, that must be reject. Yes or no? Like this. See. So AB, A should reject. AB, B should reject or not? See. AB, A reject. AB, B reject. Suppose ABB comes. Now look this. ABB nothing more, you understand? Q0 on A. I will take transition of Q0 ABB is there. Q0 on A. What is Q0 on A? Q0 on A, Q1. Remaining string what? BBB. Q1 on B. Q1 on B, Q2. Remaining string what? BB. So Q2 on B, Q2 on B, see Q2 on B transition we have. So it is reaching to Q3 destination. I have to write remaining B. Q3 on B. Now I should Q3 on B. I should make it self loop for B, comma A comma B. I will write. So after simple thing, after Q2 on A or B, any number of A's and B's come, that must be reject only. So Q3 is nothing but unreachable state or dead state, we can say dead state or unreachable state. We will understand. Are you getting my point? So all of you, please note down these things. So we'll take another example. Construct the FA for finite language. I will take let sigma as alphabet 0 comma 1 comma 2. Three symbols I have taken. See how many symbols are there? Three symbols are there. Previously one symbol, two symbol I have taken. Now I have taken three symbols 0 1 2. Now language you should accept 0 1 0 1 1 2 should accept. Such a way we need to construct the FA for this. Look mom. So what is the sigma star with these symbols? Simply epsilon will be there, 0 will be there, 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 0 1 will be there, 1 0 will be there, 1 2 will be there. Yes or no? 1 2 1 0 will be there. Yes or no? 1 0 already there, 1 0 1, 2 0 2 0 1. Many all strings are available with the symbols, correct? But we have to construct FA which is accepting 0 1 0 1 1 2. So I'll start Q naught initial state. So if 0 comes Q naught on 0 Q1, I have to make it Q1 as a final state because single 0 should accept. And suppose if it started with Q1, see alone Q1 should also accept, correct? Q naught on 1 comes, I should make it Q2. So Q2 also I'll make it a final state. Now see 0 1. So 0 1 also should accept or not? 0 1. So I will make 0 then 1. So Q3 I will make, Q3 should final state, correct? 1 2. So I will send here 1 2. So simply directly I can send here, correct or not? 1 2. 1 2 should accept or not? Yes, 1 2 should accept. See the 0 accepting, yes. 0 1, yes, accepting. 1 2 accepting. Alone 1, yes, accepting. Alone 0 accepting. Fine. So this requirement, then accept this. So 0 should accept, 1 should accept, 0 1 accepted, 1 2 also accepted. If a 1 2 1 comes, 1 2 1 comes, should reject or not? So I will make another state Q4. So look this. So I should make it this complete state also, correct? What is complete system? Complete system meaning we have a three symbols, correct? So we have a three symbols, that nothing but at each and every state you must have a exactly one transition for each symbol. But see Q0 on 0 we have, Q1 on 1 we have, but we don't have Q2 Q0 on 2. So when I initial state, if it started with the 2 that is not available in our language, that must be reject. I have sent to Q4, correct? So look this, Q1 on 1 0 comma 2 should reject, and Q2 on 0 comma 1 should reject because 2 transition already there. Now Q3 0 comma 1 comma 2 should reject it. Are you getting my point? 0 comma 1 comma 2 should reject it. So now you can check. So Q4 I should make self loop 0 comma 1 comma 2. Now all of you check. So we have a transition, three transition in all symbol or not? See, so Q0 on 0, Q0 on 1, Q0 on 2 is there, Q1 on 1 is there, Q1 on 0 2 is there, correct? Q2 on 0 1 2 is there, yes. Q3 0 1 2 we have, yes. Q4 also there. Now Q4 is a dead state or not? Dead state. Dead state, what is the meaning of dead state? So once you reach to Q4 you cannot come back to any final state, that is dead. You want to understand? So you can check, you can give any kind of string over this sigma star. Over this sigma star, my machine is going to be respond. The response could be in terms of acceptance or rejection. Only accepting what? 0 1 0 1 0 or 1 or 0 1 1 2. Except this, any string if you given, that all string it is going to be reject, but definitely it will reject. We have a transition for all the things also, that is whether it is accepting or rejecting, you that will be there. Yes, I hope you are getting. So please copy this, so we will understand immediately what is meant by dead state. What is meant by dead state? The state from which cannot come back is called dead state. The state from which cannot come back is called dead state. Other point also can tell you. Any non-final state having self loop on all input symbols. This is very important point you can understand to knowing the dead state. Any non-final state having self loop on all input symbols. You can check. You can check. So this Q4 is a non-final, Q not also non-final, correct or not? Out of this Q4 having self loop over the all symbols or not? Previous example also can see. This is C. This is Q2 is a non-final state having the self loop on all input symbol. Input symbol only one is there, right? So we have one. This way we can understand what is meant by dead state here. Write down all of you. So write down all of you, any non-final state having self loop on all input symbol, nothing but dead state. Simply you can make it yourself unreachable state. Some observation we can do on this FA. Look this. A DFA can have at most one dead state. Yes. It is not necessary each and every DFA or FA have dead state. It is not necessary to have a dead state for each and every FA. It can have, it can not have. That is up to the our language, what kind of language we are constructing, but it can have at most one dead state only. Will be at most means 0 or 1. Dead state always unreachable state in the fine. Dead state can be hide from the construction, but as it is considered to count in the number of state in DFA. So sometimes you can hide from the construction. While you consider, you can edit the dead state, but you have to count the number of state in DFA. So this is a point we observe. Thank you.